Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories. Chapter 10, Shloka 32. Among creations, I am the beginning, the middle, and also the end. O Arjuna, among sciences, I am the science of the self, and I am the logic in all arguments.
Chapter 10, Shloka 32. Sarganam adirantascha madhyam chaivaham arjuna adhyatma vidya vidyanam vada pravadatamaham.
Chapter 10, Shloka 32. Among creations, I am the beginning, the middle, and also the end, O Arjuna. Among sciences, I am the science of the self, and I am the logic in all arguments. Of creations, I am the beginning and the end and the middle too. What was earlier stated as the essential stuff in all individual beings is stated as a more general statement, as he is the essence in all creation. Because creation constitutes the beings as well as objects. The ornament, wave, and mud pot cannot remain without the essential stuff, gold, ocean, and mud, respectively. The material cause is the unavoidable essence in all the names and forms, and nothing can remain without its essential essence. The name and forms have arisen from him, are supported by him, and merge back in him when they are destroyed. So too, Lord is indicating that he, the self in all, is beginning, the middle, and the end too. Among sciences, I am the science of the self, the science which explains this knowledge principle, without which no other knowledge of things is possible, and which, playing upon the field of things, completes our knowledge of them, and should be the science of all sciences, the superior knowledge. Like in sunlight, all objects are illumined. Sunlight reflected upon the non-luminous objects makes them perceptible. So the sun is the eye of eyes, and the science of spirituality is the science of sciences. Of arguments, I am Vada. There are three types of approaches in any discussion: rejoinders, Jalpa; criticisms, Vitanda; and logical arguments, Vada. The former techniques, Jalpa and Vitanda, are only strategies to weaken the enemies, while the actual thrust into the enemy lines and ultimate Real conquest is only through Vad. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.